Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're highlighting the top 5 best car air compressors on AliExpress that stand out for their exceptional quality. I've carefully selected these products based on factors like popularity, performance, affordability, durability, user feedback, and more. For additional details about these products, be sure to check the description below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with our future reviews. Now, let's get started. Number 5. UTRAI Compressor 150 PSI Air Pump Compressor. UTRAI Compressor 150 PSI Air Pump and Jump Starter is the ultimate tool for emergencies and daily use. With a powerful 2008 peak current, it can jumpstart 12-volt vehicles like cars, motorcycles, SUVs, and even small trucks within seconds. The 150 PSI air compressor is perfect for inflating car, bike, or scooter tires efficiently and quickly, ensuring you're never stranded with a flat tire. Its wireless design and built-in power bank make it more than just a car accessory. You can charge your devices with its USB ports, making it ideal for outdoor trips. The LED flashlight adds convenience during nighttime emergencies, and its compact size makes it easy to carry. This versatile device is a must-have for anyone looking for reliability, convenience, and functionality in one portable package. A true lifesaver for unexpected moments. Grab yours today. Number 4. Baseus Dual-Cylinder Wireless Air Pump. Meet the Baseus Dual-Cylinder Wireless Air Pump, the ultimate companion for your car, motorcycle, or bicycle. With a powerful 250-watt motor and dual cylinders, this air compressor is a game-changer, inflating a standard car tire in just 3.5 minutes. No more waiting around in emergencies. Its cordless design means complete portability. Inflate up to 3 tires on a single charge, whether you're at home, on the road, or in the middle of nowhere. The built-in auto-stop function prevents overinflation by shutting off when the desired pressure is reached. Plus, its compact size and sleek design make it easy to carry and store. Whether it's tires, sports equipment, or inflatable toys, this device handles it all effortlessly. Invest in reliability, speed, and convenience with the Baseus Air Pump, because peace of mind should never be optional. Number 3. 2024 Upgrade Xiaomi Mini Portable Air Compressor. The 2024 upgrade Xiaomi Mini Portable Air Pump 2 is a game-changer for anyone on the move. With its cutting-edge technology, this compact air compressor ensures you're never stranded with underinflated tires. Equipped with a high-performance magnetic motor, it inflates a car tire in just 8 minutes, and its 2,000 mAh rechargeable battery supports inflating up to 10 tires on a single charge. It offers 6 preset inflation modes, making it suitable for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, scooters, and even sports balls. The digital display with real-time pressure monitoring ensures precision, while the auto shutoff feature prevents overinflation. Compact and lightweight, it's designed for easy storage and portability. With Type-C fast charging, it's always ready when you need it. Stay safe and efficient with this must-have multi-tool. Number 2. Xiaomi 12,000 mAh Wireless Portable Car Air Pumps Compressor. Meet the Xiaomi 12,000 mAh Wireless Portable Car Air Pump, your ultimate travel companion for hassle-free tire inflation and more. With its sleek, portable design and advanced technology, this air pump combines convenience with performance. Delivering up to 150 psi, it's perfect for inflating car tires, motorcycle tires, bicycles, and even sports equipment. What sets it apart? The powerful 12,000 mAh battery ensures long-lasting performance, allowing you to inflate multiple tires on a single charge. Its intelligent digital display not only shows real-time pressure but also lets you preset desired levels, shutting off automatically when reached. No risk of overinflation. Compact and wireless, it's easy to carry anywhere. Whether it's daily maintenance or emergency use, Xiaomi ensures you're always prepared. Number 1. Baseus Mini Car Air Compressor. Introducing the Baseus Mini Car Air Compressor. 12-volt 150 psi, the ultimate portable solution for inflating your car or boat tire bicycling quickly and efficiently. This compact air compressor offers a powerful 150 psi capacity, ensuring fast inflation when you need it most. Its smart digital display makes it easy to monitor the pressure in real time, and you can set your desired PSI for precise inflation. The 12-volt power source means you can use it directly from your car's power outlet, making it perfect for on-the-go use. Lightweight and easy to store, this mini air compressor is designed to save you time and effort. Whether you're on a road trip or simply need a quick tire check, the Baseus air compressor is a must-have for every car owner. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.